close it. Just stick it in the dumpling.
And bite it.
Yeah.
Right.
So, yeah.
Yeah, bite it.
Doing your little thing at home. Again, but me not say nothing because I joke time now. St. Andrew's killing, first St. Andrew's killing. Fire go on, Parry, fire too much in the eat, yeah.
It's a good old-fashioned Jamaican breakfast. Yeah. In at the 5-star at the 5-star backyard.
Yes, I the jelly this year.
Whoa! You don't want your mother.
Hey Paris, blessed Monday to you all. Hope you had a very good Mother's Day. Yeah, even though you were under quarantine. Yeah, so you know what, it has been quite a while since I've made a little sit down video, you know. Quarantine, I've run a different move. I want the whole percent me vlog phone, but I just can't get to go. I just can't get to go as how I would love to. So you know, I've just got to wait, and because of this, you know, we don't have a lot of activity on this channel. You know, I always make my little sit down video share. I always share story time. I have story time to share, but they are not the, you know, most of, you know, they're sort of, some of them are sort of sad. So I don't want to bring any more sadness more than what the COVID's up near, I don't know. As you have already seen the title, pace setter or a winner. And maybe some people will get it like instantly. And maybe some people want to ask, what does that mean? My son is a sports person, and because of that, I watch some sports. He has taught me from even before I had Camera Girl, because he's almost 10 years older than Camera Girl. So I just made him in that role for a good time. So he taught me, as an only child then, he taught me to watch sports that I didn't even understand. Because most time as woman, you don't understand sports, you know. So I've learned to can watch and understand certain sports. So I have to thank him for that. I like to watch Olympics and World Championship due to my son. He makes you know, I had no interest in them before because I don't understand, or I never understood them. Whilst growing to like the sports of athletics, I would often see those long distance runners. When they start out, they would start out with a bunch of people, and then you would, after the first lap or so, you would see some of them running off the field. One day I decided to ask my son, what was the purpose? What are they for? And he said, Mom, they're called pace setters. And he explained it to me. He said, they start out with the athletes that are qualified, that are in the race. You know, it's a long meter race. So they start out with them to push them. But at the end of it, they are not qualified. They were not trained to go these long distances as the runners do, you know, or as the athletes do. They just start out with them to push them out at a fast pace. So they are not trained to go these long distances. So at some point, very early in the race, they would have to run off the field. You don't get it as yet? Let me go a little more. Pace setter or winner. Are you a pace setter, Paris, or a winner? What do you consider yourself on this journey of life, in this race of life? You can leave your comments in the comment section, and you can explain to me. I've asked myself that question. Debbie, what are you? Are you a pace setter or are you a winner in this race of life? And I am very much pleased at this point to think that I am a winner. Why? And if you have asked, or when you watch this video, you ask yourself this question, and whatever the answer is, you can share it if you like. That is, if you like. Not everybody like to share life journey, but you know, say me love share it, because it motivates, if it's even 2 or 3 people. Because never in your life on this journey have you alone gone through anything. Lots and lots of other people out there going through something similar, of the same nature. Maybe not the very same way, but it will be classified the same way. So, if you are on in the race of life, and you have been going on and you realize that you started out and there are some pace setters and that they were left behind and you're still in the race and you're a winner, you can say something. This also led me to come up with this statement: the race is not for the swift nor the strong. It is for those of us that can endure to the end. These pace setters, they weren't made to endure to the end. They weren't trained. So as soon as they reach the first lap, them burn out. Have to run off of the field. On this journey of life, or in this race of life that we are in Paris, you can never know if you're a winner until you have reached a certain point in your life. You'll never know if you're a winner or a pace setter. If you are somebody that really, you know, as you go on this journey of life, you think about the journey that you have done already and that you're on to know and that you're heading into the future. Because you have a plan, you know. I'm saying this to say that some of us during our lifetime, from a very tender age, we meet upon some people, be it our children, be it our husbands, be it our wives, be it our other siblings, be it our co-workers, so-called friends, just people on a whole. They are in this race of life with us. And they would do so many things to distract you. They would do so many things to see you go down. It's not funny. Yet, when they think you're out, you're still in. When they think you're out, you're still in. And that too makes them a bit uncomfortable. Because when they say, I think that she did out of the race. So she get up back again, and she's a very determined person, you know, she have a chance of winning this race, you know. They realize that you're a winner. And they, as pace setters, they just stay there to prevent you from winning this race of life. The race is not for the swift nor the strong. It is for those of us that can endure to the end. If you're watching this video, or when you do watch this video, if you're somebody that have gone through so much, you have been down, you have been out, yet you find yourself back up again, right on track in the race of life. Tell me something if you would like to share. Just say something in the comment section. Pace setter, or are you a winner? You know, if you have gone through something, or you're still like all me, going through something for the longest while. And you know, it takes, because this journey of life, it takes a lot of twists and turns, as a lot of us all know. Some of us may not know, some of us don't really care to know. Some of us are not even, we don't really want to know. But if you're on this race, in this race of life, and so many things have happened, takes twist and turn, and everything going bad, people trying to, they are just trying, and you are just looking, pursuing, steadfast, looking straight ahead on this journey of life, whilst they, as pace setters, just trying there to distract you. Also, there are others. They're in the race of life, but they know that you're a winner. So they try to get you disqualified by trying to distract you. Some of them, sometimes they even bump up into you. But yet you pursue, you pull through, because you are looking at one and one thing only, the winning post. Probably a world record too, why not? So, pace setter or winner. What are you, Pari? This is my little pep talk for this Monday. It is the 11th of May. It's a beautiful Monday in Jamaica, yet really hot. Most of the time, I have to be on the outside. I would love to do this video for you on the outside, but there are a lot of, horns honking. And when you really want to share a thought or two, you need to be focused. Because an on pop here and an on pop there, you might hear, you want to say, wow, is the music gonna start? You gotta cut the video. It distracts you. What you think about this video? What have you gained? Remember to share with me in the comment section. Let's talk. In this race of life, who are you? Analyze your situation. And if you're a winner, keep heading for the winning post. Don't stop. Because the race is not for the swift, nor the strong. It is for those of us that can endure to the end. Pace setter or a winner. Never let the evil around you. Never let it take control of you. Stay on the patterns.